Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are making a cooking video. You guys really like the first one, so we're doing another one. This is also part of my maths project about measurements, so you might find some measurements thrown around. Like suppose 3 grams of chili. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need black pepper, cheese, salt, chili, coriander leaves, onions, eggs, bread, toothpicks, sausages, we have frankfurters, and butter. Not Amul butter, just butter. And if you remember from the start, in this video I have a maths project, so I have to measure all of these ingredients. And also remember the bowls are 100 grams, so when I put it here it'll show 100 grams extra than it's supposed to. First let's weigh the black pepper powder. 6 grams minus 100. Now the cheese, 51 grams. Now the salt, 23 grams. That's more than the black pepper. Now the chili, 2 grams, that's very less. Now the coriander leaves, showing 0 grams. How is that able to happen? I don't know. Then the onions, 49 grams. We have more cheese than onions. I will crack the eggs, so that will classify as a liquid, so you don't need to measure that. Hooray! Then we're also not going to use the entirety of the black pepper and salt. We are going to use a pinch and like a teaspoon or something. So we have these things. These actually give us the weight in grams. No, milliliters. Though it's for salt, it gives in milliliters. Now let's start the recipe. The first step is to crack the eggs, which I've already done some, so I'll just crack this one. Crack. Okay, fine. Yeah. And next, we are going to add all of these, everything except the cheese. The cheese is lonely. So, 1 spoon of this. That is 2.46 ml for my math project. Half of that, it's a little hard. That should be 1.23 ml if I've measured it right. Then, now we're done with, I think we're done with this, and now we have to add the onions. This previously was 51 grams, I think. Then we have these. These were around 2-3 grams. And these, which rendered in at 0 grams. I don't know how, but they just rendered it at 0, so. And now that we have added all of this, it's time for step 2, mixing them. The magic of editing, I'm done stirring the mixture. That was fast. I'm just going to keep this there. And that's our batter. And once again, for my maths project, I have put my egg mixture or battered eggs in this jar, and it is at 200 ml. This is 200 ml of battered eggs. Let's put it back in the bowl. Now for step 3. For step 3, I'm going to take out a bread, and we're going to have to do this for as many sausages as we have, which is 5, so I'll have to cut 5 bread. Though with the magic of editing, they'll be fast. Cut. First you have to cut off the corners, because nobody wants corners in their sausage burrito. It's kind of like a burrito. Then you turn this around. Keep on cutting. And now we have a no crust bread. And we should probably wait. Or maybe not, because everybody knows the weight of the bread. I think we waited earlier. Well, maybe we didn't. But next we have to roll the bread, which is actually the best, which actually gives it the most flat. It's like it carries the sausage with it. You don't get the bread taste if you roll it. Turn it, roll, 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 roll. I think this is good enough. My mom says it's good. Thanks, Mama, for being behind the camera. And now we can go to the next step while you can see the next step while I'll roll all of these out. Let's head to the next step. Step 4. For our next step, we are going to use our sausages for the first time. So first what we do is we add cheese onto our bread. I think that's good enough cheese. Okay, my mom's saying we need to flatten it out. I think that's good enough. And now we have our sausage. But before we do that, you may notice that the sausage is giant and this bread is kind of small. So let's measure the bread. I'm gonna have, it's approximately 10 centimeters. I can't touch the scale to the bread because then the bread will get dirty, and nobody wants to eat dirty bread. And then our sausage is around 15 centimeters. So we are going to have to cut 5 centimeters off of the sausage. Now let's do the amazing thing. You roll up one side of the bread. They sit here, it's a little hard. Bread's escaping. And then you grab your toothpick, then you stab it. And it fell. We don't have to do this the second time. But after successfully stabbing the sausage, I'm going to have to cut the sausage's part off. This is a very bad day for the sausage. I'm going to keep him here. And now let's go to the next step, step 5 or 6. I'm losing count. And now it's time for our 5th and final step. Putting this thing in the thing. We have already dipped it inside. And let's lift it up. Come on. This is slipping. It's on. This is the final step. Now we have to wait a little bit and then we will see the egg roll. Oh wait, is this sausage roll or egg roll? I'm forgetting what the main ingredient is. And I'll see you with the final sausage roll burrito thingy. And I'll see you there in the show. Here it is with all of its glory. The egg roll or egg sausage cheese roll. I know what to call this. I'm just going to call it sausage roll for now. This was also part of my math project, so you may have noticed I threw a lot of measurements in there. I think I'm repeating myself. Actually, never mind. Look at